to another episode of Soaping with Soapy Twist. So today we would be making mango soap using camel milk soap base, mango powder, yellow color and mango fragrance oil. Before we begin, let's talk a bit more about the ingredients which we would be using today. So first of all, we have camel milk soap base. Our camel milk soap base is sulfate and paraben free. As we know, camel milk is rich in vitamin B and C and it also contains lactic acid, therefore, it really helps in keeping the skin soft and supple. Next, we have mango powder. Mango is amazing for your skin as it is a great source of antioxidants which help with keeping the skin healthy and glowing. So, first, we'll take 200 grams of camel milk soap base and cut it into small cubes so that it's easier to melt. Then we will take 2 grams of mango powder in a small container and make a thick paste of it using small amount of water. Melt the camel milk soap base in a microwave or on a double boiler. Now add the mango powder paste to the base. Add up to 4 grams of mango fragrance oil. Add about 2 drops of yellow color. Stir well. Pour the base into the mold and let it set for 20 to 30 minutes.